welcome back to my channel. Siri here, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a video. Let's get right into it. So the app I'll be using is iMovie. This is only available on the App Store or for Apple products. So I'm really sorry to all the Windows and Android users, but all you Apple users, stay here because this is the tutorial for you. In this video, I'll be going over all the steps I use for my videos and more stuff that you guys can do with yours. So let's get right into it. So you're gonna go ahead and download iMovie. It's free, and you're gonna click on the app and you will be greeted with this screen right here. You're gonna go ahead and click on Create Project and click on Movie. Also, you guys can click on this question mark button if you want to know what all these other buttons do. It's really helpful. Anyways, you're gonna click on Create Project, Movie, and select what you want to edit. So yeah, I have this little demo video here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and click on that. And then you're gonna go ahead and click on Create Movie right here. Now you're going to check if the movies or videos audio has come in properly. So let's just play the video real quick. Hey, I'm Demo Video Siri, and I think you should smash the like and subscribe button. It helps me out a lot. Back to editing, Siri. Thank you, Demo Video Siri. And I agree with you. They should like and subscribe. But yeah, anyways, once you've checked that your videos, audio, and everything is correct, you're going to go ahead and click on it. You can do a bunch of editing on the video right here. So yeah, once you've checked all the videos, audio is proper, here's where the actual editing comes in. Right, so transitions, how you make it, let's go. So let's say you have one huge video, well, mine's not huge, but let's say you have one video and you want to make a transition in the middle of it. Here's how to do that. You're gonna drag this white bar in the center right here to where you wanna make your transition. I'll just choose right here. Then you're gonna click on the video and it's gonna appear this yellow bar around the video is gonna appear. Now you're gonna go to Actions and click on Split. That will split the video on where the white bar is. As you can see, the video is, well, split. Now you're gonna click on this little button right here. Now you can choose any transition effect you want. I'm just going to choose on Slide. Now, as you will see, that transition is going to happen. I'll play it right now. Smash the like and subscribe button. So yeah, they have a bunch of transitions which you can play around with, but the none transition, well, it will just seamlessly transition. So it's kind of useless, but yeah, here's what that looks like. The like and like that. So yeah, you can do that. Well, that's how you do your transitions. Also, to undo anything you do on this app, you can just click on the little undo button like that. On to the next topic. To delete a part from your video, you're going to drag the white bar to the beginning of the audio where you want to delete it. For example, there's an empty line of audio right here, so I want to go ahead and delete that. So you're going to go to the beginning of that audio clip or whatever part you want to cut out. You're going to click and you're going to click on Split. Now you're going to go to the end part of the part you want to cut out right here, and you're going to click Split there. Now you're going to click on the part that you split out and delete it. And then you can put any transition you want. I'm not going to put any. And here's how that will play out. It helps me out a lot. back to editing, Siri. So yeah, that's how you do that. On to the next one. To add text, I'll just undo that real quick. Alright, so to add text, you're gonna go to the part you wanna add text in. I'm gonna go right here. And then you're going to click right there. And then you'll get titles. You're gonna click on titles and you're going to choose any effect you want. Or you don't need to. Just click on none. But I'm gonna choose on slide. It doesn't matter if the white bar moves a little bit. That doesn't really matter, but yeah. Now you will get title text here. You're going to click on that and put edit right there. Now you can edit this. I'm gonna put, hey guys. Alright. So now once you put in your text, you can choose any font by clicking on AA. I'm going to just choose this one. You can choose the color by clicking on this color spectrum right here, and you can choose your color with the grid, the spectrum, or the sliders. I'm just going to go for a nice light yellow. Alright. Now the three dots, if you click on them, style. Style is just to change it from the default middle to the lower third. I'm gonna keep it on default. Now, text shadow basically means it gives some depth to the text. I'm just gonna keep that on. Uppercase, you're gonna wanna turn that off before you type your text if you don't want all the text to be caps. But if you want that, just keep that on. And full clip duration means it's only gonna fade away at the very end of the clip. I'm gonna turn that off. Once you've set in your text, you can go ahead and play it. Hey, I'm demo videos right there. So you see, boom. Alright, I'm just going to delete this text just by clicking on it and clicking delete. On to the next thing. To add background music, it's really simple. You're just going to click on this plus, go to audio, go to soundtracks, and right here there are a bunch of tracks you can choose. You're going to want to download it, which is not gonna take up any of your storage. It's just really quick, just like this, as you can see. So yeah, you can do that, and you can choose any track you want. I'm just gonna go ahead and choose the second one, and then you're gonna click on the plus, and it will add it to the bottom of your video. Now if you want to set this as background music, you're gonna go ahead and click on it, go to volume, and lower the volume right here. I'm gonna put it at I'll just put it on 50. Yeah. And then the background music is gonna come with your video, like this. Hey, I'm demo video Siri. Just like that. You can go ahead and delete it by clicking on it right here, or do anything else you want with it. A few other things that you can do to just tweak them up. So here are those. If you click on your video, you can go to speed if you want, and you can like up or down, decrease the speed. I'm just going to put it at normal, just like that. Hey! Anyways, if you want to make time lapses, you can go to the part where you want a time lapse. I'm just gonna put it right here, and you can split the part where the time lapse is, and then you can click on the splitted part, go to speed, and set it all the way up. And here's the difference. I'm demo. Oh my god. Oh my god. We should probably turn that down. Yeah. Oh God. Oh God, that's hilarious. Anyways, you can do that for time lapses. And if you want to remove or tweak up your video's audio, you can click on the video, go to actions, and click on detach audio. And now you can do anything you want with it, like make the speed faster, make the volume higher, anything you want. I'm just gonna go ahead and undo that. If you want to add like an end card or any photos to your video, you can click on right here, and you can go to media, click on albums, and then go to anything you want. I'll just click on screenshots and put in my end card right here. And as you will see, it adds it to the end of the video like this.
Back to editing, Siri.
But Siri, I don't want it to fade to one side like that. How do I fix it? Well, you're gonna click onto that photo part, and it says pinch to position the start. Now you're going to pinch out all the way, then go to the end of the video, pinch out again, and that will keep it in place, as you will see. Just like that, it will stay in place. Now, if you want to put an image in the middle of your video, you can just split out a part of the video right here, and then go right over here behind the transition thing, click on your photo and add it right there. As you can see, it will add in the middle of the video.
Video Siri.
Just like that. I'm gonna go ahead and delete that. Anyways guys, that's all for me today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next week. Bye!